All right, so we're on day like 11 or so, I want to say, something like that. What we got done is we got the whole entire exterior painted. When you paint the exterior of these homes, it just gives it a whole new life. These mobile homes, really any homes, you get siding done and stuff, but brought to life this gray. It's a beautiful gray color that we got. Earl Gray out here. And you come on in, and we got the door, red door. It's going to come out sexy once we get that removed. And the kitchen. Dun, dun, dun. We got the countertops in. We got the cabinets in. By the way, Home Depot, they delivered me cabinets, and like 60% of them were destroyed, so we got to get new cabinets and get them all fixed up. Got the countertops in. Let me flip this around. It's looking great. We're in good shape here. Now we got a few more things to do. Fix up some of the bathroom, get the laundry room cleaned up, get all patchwork and all this stuff done. Just the little things in here. Then we should be good to go. Good to go. And here are some of the before and after photos so you can compare. As you can see, we painted the house, transformed it. Looks beautiful when you add a paint job to it. Changed up the bedrooms, transformed the bedrooms, new flooring, new paint, the kitchen, new cabinets, new flooring, new paint. Complete remodel on this mobile home. It looks like a brand new mobile home inside, real fresh, real clean. Went from being that 1980s mobile home, which you can tell hasn't been updated at all, to a brand new look inside. Excited to get this one on the market. And here is the finished product. Everything is complete. New floors throughout, new paint, new walls. We fixed a lot of soft spots in this bedroom. So I put new plywood down, new closet doors. Everything's fresh. We didn't change out the shower. We kept that the same, the tub and everything. That was in good condition. Everything else, though, was transformed. We kept that, and then we also kept the shower in here, but transformed everything else in the bathroom. Just really had to clean it up. It was in pretty good condition. New counters, new kitchen, new cabinets, new countertops. Everything's brand new. Then we have this beautiful yard that you get with this home.